grassy leaves. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to solve the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Alright, so the first thing is, you have to know two algorithms. So the first one, we are going to call the right algorithm. It is when you move the right side up, the top side to the left, right side back down, and upside across again. And then the second algorithm is left, up, left inverted, up. There you go. And keep practicing those, because if you can't get those down, then, well, I don't say it's too hard for you, but if you can't get those down, just copy what I do throughout the whole thing. Right, so let's start by scrambling the cube. Okay, so now that we've scrambled the cube, we have to do step one. So step one is so we have to pick a colour. So let's pick blue. So we've got blue, which is opposite of green. Here we go. Right, so find a blue edge piece. So let's find the blue white. The blue white, all we have to do is find any edge piece and move it across so it matches the green. Okay, just keep doing this. Right, so let's keep looking. There we go, we've got another blue. So because it's right. So what you have is, because you've got this here and then one directly across, you're going to want to move that out of the way, then slot it in. Right, there we go. Now you've nearly completed this step. Look for it, the sides here. There we go. Now it is here and below it, so you can move it sideways. Move these two down and move it across. That is step one. Step two is to match up these edges to the centers. So the blue and orange, you have to match this orange to the orange. So keep moving until you find it. There we go. Right, so now we have the blue and orange. Move it across twice. So now it is with now the blue is with the blue and the orange is with the orange. Right, now we've got to keep doing that. So yellow, blue, you have to keep moving it across until, there we go, you found it. And then do the same thing, move it across, and keep repeating this. And there you go, you've finished the first two steps already. Okay, so because green is opposite of blue, ignore every single green piece that you can. So next bit is to fill in the second layer. So, alright, let's pick two centers, alright, the orange and the yellow. But you can't pick green or two centers that are opposite. So let's pick orange, there we go, with orange and yellow. So all we have to do is find the orange and yellow center. So edge. So yellow and green, yellow and red. No, there we go. So then that we found it, we have to match the side facing towards you with the center. So there we go. So we've got this, and we want to put it here. So if where you want to put it is to the left, then you slide it to the right. But if the orange and yellow is here for you, slide it to the left. So because mine's to the left, I'm going to slide it to the right and do the lefty alg if it's on your left. If it's on your right, do the righty righty algorithm. So move it across, do the left algorithm. There we go. And then spin the cube to the side, so spin it to the left, and then do the right algorithm. There we go, now it should have slotted in. Okay. Now we have a problem. So we have the red and white center, and the red and white edge is in there, but it's flipped. So what you want to do is you want to take your cube, do the right algorithm. There we go. Move to the right and then do it again. Then it would have jumped out. So then we did what we did before, but now that it's on the right, you move it to the left, do the right algorithm, move to the right, and do the left algorithm. There you go. And then hopefully should have got the hang of this. And remember, ignore the greens. Right, so there we go. Move it to the left, right, up, right, and right, up. Left, up, left, and right, up. And make sure to add that spin to the right or left in. Then white and green. No. White and orange. Where's white and orange? Hold on, where is white and orange? Oh, there we go. Move it across the wrong, to the opposite way. Left algorithm, spin to the left, right algorithm. There you go. Now that is the whole of the second layer completed. Now onto the green cross. So what you want to do is look at your case. So in my case, I have the line case. So if you have the same case, ignore the corners, by the way. Ignore the corners at all costs. So I have the line case where it makes a line. So if you have this case, but if you have already the green edge here and green edge here, don't worry, I'm just skipping the video because you already completed this step. So what you want to do if you have the line case is just move the front side to the right, do the right algorithm, with the front side back over. Then you will have the cross completed. But if you didn't have that case, don't panic. Okay, here's the second case where you have a right angle. Remember, ignore the corners. So it makes a right angle with the colours. So what you want to do is take your cube so that is facing up. Move the front side. Move not just this side, both of them. So you move this side and this side. So move both of them together. Do the right algorithm and move them back up. Then you've solved it. One more case. And here is the last case. It's called the dot. Remember, ignore these corners. It's called the dot because there is only one green center, the green center in there. Right, so what you want to do, make sure that's facing up. Do the first move we learned, which is the front side to the right. Just the one front side, not the two, just the one. Do the right algorithm. Move the front side back up. Then you have the second case. So do that. And then you would have solved your cross. There we go. On to the next bit. Now this bit is pretty tricky. What you have to do is match these corners up to their right centers. So we have here is an example of a solved corner because the green is matching up with the green center. The yellow is matching up with the yellow and red with red. So what you want to do if you want to swap corners, because look, alright, green, yep, matching, red not matching, and white not matching. So let's pick one of those corners. So no, this one's right. So don't be afraid to move these across. So this needs to move across to here because green, yep, and orange, but not the yellow, but the yellow is here. So what you want to do is take your cube, do the right algorithm 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. Move to the right. Do the left algorithm 3 times. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Now that is in the right place, and you've got these two in the right place. Now you have to swap these two. So do the same thing. Right algorithm twice. There we go. Spin to the right. Left algorithm twice. I mean 3 times. 3 times. Sorry. Then they are all in the correct position. They're not oriented, but we will learn to orient them in a minute. Okay, so on how to orient them. So how you had the green on the top, spin the cube over, so now the green is on the bottom. So make it upside down. Then what you want to do is have this in the bottom right, and do the right algorithm until it is put in. But do not spin the cube. If you spin the cube like this, it'll mess it up completely. So, oh yes, that's right. Even Lily told you. So just move it across until it is in the bottom right, and then keep repeating the righty alg. There we go. And then they are all oriented. On to the final step. Right, so the final step is, so see how I've got 2 corners. You have to make sure the corners are in the right place. So move them where they are in the right place. So what you have to do is take your cube, and if you have a matching side where, say, the green and yellow was in here, then that would be 3 across. So if you have that, make sure it's facing towards you. And do this. So the right algorithm, left algorithm, and then you have to do the inverted of the right algorithm. So you move the up side to the left, right side up side to the right, and right side back down. And do the same with the left algorithm. So up to the right, left side up, put it back across. There you go. Then you have one matching side, so make sure that it's facing towards you. Do that again. Nope. Oops, I've messed up. Okay, so back to where we were. So do that. Right algorithm. Left algorithm. Up side to the left. Right side up. Up side to the right. Right side back down. Do the same with the left. Then, you might have solved your cube. If it didn't work, then do that again and make sure the matching side is facing towards you. If it didn't work, then please try it again, and I promise you it will work. I hope this worked out for you. I will be doing a premium version on how to do it faster, and I will do that on the 2x2 up there and the Pyraminx up there. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video and it was helpful. Let me know if you want me to do another version because it was unclear, and bye. Bye.